Are you still copying and pasting data in Excel from one sheet to another? That might work for 10 rows. But what if you have 500 rows? That's where most people get stuck. What if I tell you Excel can do all that work for you in just one formula? No manual work, no mistakes. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn XLOOKUP, one of the most powerful and useful Excel formulas. If you understand this formula, your Excel work will become much faster and easier. So let's start step by step. If you are learning Excel step by step, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I share simple Excel tips that you can use in the real work. Let's understand the problem first. Here we have a sales sheet. We have product names, quantities, and other details. But the price is stored in another sheet. Now imagine doing this manually. You go to another sheet, find the product, copy the price, come back and paste it. And repeat this again and again. This is slow and mistakes can happen. So the question is, can Excel do this automatically for us? Yes. That's where XLOOKUP comes up. XLOOKUP is a formula that searches for a value and returns the matching result. In simple words, it finds something and brings the answer. That is it. Now let's do it step by step. Click on the cell where you want the price. Now type is equal to XLOOKUP. Bracket open. Now we give three things. First of all, what to search? Select the product name in this row. This is what we are searching. Then, where to search? Now go to the second sheet. Select the product column. This is where Excel will search. Then what to return? Now select the price column. This is the answer Excel will return. Close the bracket and hit enter button. And just like that, Excel found the correct price instantly. No searching, no copying. Now we don't need to write the formula again. Just drag it down and Excel will fill all the rows automatically. This is where you save a lot of time. Now sometimes your data may have duplicate values. If you want to learn how to find duplicates using formulas, check out my video on COUNTIF. Think about real office work. You might have thousands of rows. Without XLOOKUP, you spend hours and hours doing manual work. With XLOOKUP, everything happens in seconds. This is why this formula is so important. Once you start using XLOOKUP, you will never go back to manual work again and again. And after getting this data, you can analyze it using pivot tables. I have already created a full beginner video on pivot tables. Now, look at your sheet. All prices are filled correctly. Everything is automatic. This is how Excel should work. If this video saved your time, please like the video. It helps some people learn this skill. Subscribe to the channel for more simple Excel tips and tricks. And tell me in the comments, do you still use VLOOKUP or you have already switched to XLOOKUP? I would like to know from you. Thank you.